A very pleasant morning to one and all gathered here. Today for investiture ceremony, we are having a galactic pleasure to welcome the most awaited educationist and our mentor, Chief Guest Srimati Asha Sharma ma'am, and guest of honor, a very respectful manager of the organization, Dr. Sonu Sharma ma'am. Let us begin this auspicious occasion with a traditional tilak ceremony, a gesture that symbolizes respect and devotion. I humbly invite our respected President ma'am, guest of honor, Dr. Sonu Sharma ma'am, Principal ma'am and Headmistress ma'am to come forward and receive. We begin this special day with the display of discipline and unity, the march past. With heads held high and hearts full of pride, our school student leaders march forward. A salute to their strength and dedication. With pride in their stride and leadership in their soul, leading from the front, here comes our march, esteemed head boy Shubh Yadav and head girl Prachi Yadav, portraying the true symbols of discipline, determination and dedication. Behind them is the proud Arapli house, draped in royal blue, a symbol of calm strength and deep wisdom, guided by their house captain Anushka Yadav and vice house captain Urvi Yadav, followed by prefects Saksham, Tanvi, Vansh and Mukta from senior wing, and Mokshita, Mudit, Keshu and Aditya from primary wing. Arabi house stands for excellence through perseverance. Well done, students. Following them is the energetic Kumao House in vibrant red, radiating courage, power and passion, with House Captain Kushiraj Poot and Vice House Captain Sakshi Yadav at the lead, accompanied by the prefects Akshay, Akhand, Hazel and Daksh from senior wing and Kritika, Bhagyashree, Vian and Pari from primary wing. They march forward with heads held high, inspired by bravery and unity. Next, we welcome the graceful Nilgiri House in rich green, representing harmony with nature, growth and balance, led by House Captain Bhumi Seni and Vice House Captain Simran Yadav, supported by prefects Laksh, Ananya, Soumya and Shreya from primary wing and Gunjan, Jatin, Ahan and Aditi from senior wing. They step forward with pride rooted in values and tradition. And finally, we have the bright and cheerful Shivalik House in yellow, the color of joy and energy, under the leadership of House Captain Tejas Dikshit, Vice House Captain Sakshi Yadav, obeyed by prefects Vanshu Diksha, Soumya and Shavika from senior wing, and Ovid, Subhajit, Ridhvi and Gunjan from primary wing. Shivalik marches ahead with confidence, clarity of vision. A grand salute to all our marching groups. The spirit of leadership shines bright in each stride. This is not just a march, this is a celebration of leadership in a sporting way. We are proud of our students. Heads held high and hearts full of pride, our students are displaying the symbol of dedication, team spirit, discipline, unity and strength. Thereby, I would like to invite our guests to head inside the auditorium to get the ceremony initiated.
The idea that the true progress begins with a strong foundation, just like tree grow tall only when its roots are deep and strong. A person or a nation can rise only when it is grounded in a good value like honesty, respect and responsibility. Being rooted in value means staying connected to our culture, tradition and moral principles. These values keep us humble, disciplined and focused.
सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे।
ऊंचे रहे जो तेरे कद से इरादे, तो ये फलक मगरूर।
सूरज सजता है सपनों को दो परवाज़ है, उड़ने की तमन्ना है खातिया हमने। सूरज सजता है सपनों को दो परवाज़ है, उड़ने की तमन्ना
It was indeed a mesmerizing performance. Please give them a big round of applause.
Today, we convene not merely to celebrate an investiture ceremony, but to honor a living example of democracy in action within our school community. The school council elections for the academic session 2025-26 were held on 5th July 2025, marked by spirited participation and a strong sense of democratic ethos. As you view, the visuals behind us allows us to take you through the vibrant journey of our school's council elections, beginning with the energetic and well-planned campaigning by students, followed by election day, when students queued up with great enthusiasm to cast their votes. Students from classes 4th to 12th took active part in electoral process to elect their representatives for the esteemed positions of head boy, head girl, vice head boy and vice head girl. To ensure a smooth and fair election, 2 well-structured polling booths were set up within the school premises, facilitating a seamless voting experience. On the day of voting, students exercised their electoral rights with commendable discipline and zeal. The entire process was conducted transparently and in an organized manner, upholding the school's commitment to fostering responsible, aware, and participative future citizens. Once voting conducted, the students' electoral committee undertook the meticulous task of counting each vote with care and accuracy. We extend a heartfelt congratulations to all the elected representatives and express a deep appreciation to every candidate and voter. Your spirited involvement transformed this event into a truly meaningful democratic celebration.
True leadership transcends title and position. It is defined by purposeful purposeful action, unwavering courage, and a genuine commitment to serve. It's now time to formally invest our newly elected leaders with a symbol of their responsibility and a trust placed in them. The moment has arrived to invite our newly elected council member to the stage. I extend a humble request to each of them to step forward and assume their rightful place. The young leaders embody exceptional qualities, and today they stand before us ready to lead with integrity, vision, and dedication. We would like to call Head Girl Prachi Yadav, Head Boy Kinshuk Yadav, Vice Head Girl Bhumi Thakran, Vice Head Boy Charchit Raghav, Hindi Editor Khushi Jain, English Editor Kanishka Mehlawat, Sports Captain Pushkar Kumar, Vice Sports Captain Jasmine.
I would now like to invite our erudite personalities, President Ma'am and guest of honor to win up the badges so as to instill in the newly selected prefects a sense of duty and pride. Please come.
We, the students of ST Adarsh Vidyalaya, take the solemn oath that we will do our duty to the best of our ability and with integrity. We will be honest, loyal, and responsible Senate members. We will definitely leave a strong legacy for generations to follow. We will always keep the school flag flying high.
Every journey teaches us something. Let us now invite the Vice Head Girl of Session 2024-25, Metali, to grace the stage and share her inspiring words with us.
Good morning, one and all present here. A very warm welcome. Honorable President Srimati Asha Sharma Ma'am, Manager Dr. Sonu Sharma Ma'am, our respected principal and our headmistress. Today, I stand before you as a Vice Head Girl of previous session. My heart is brimming with gratitude, pride and emotion. This investor ceremony not only marks the beginning of a new chapter for the incoming council, but a closure for a meaningful journey for students like me, who had the privilege to serve this institution in a leadership role. Firstly, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our President Ma'am and all our mentors for believing in me and trusting me with the responsibility. Your guidance and support helped me grow, lead and learn with confidence. This past year has been a short transformational journey for me. I stepped into this role with a mix of emotions, nervousness, unsure of what lay ahead. But every challenge turned into an opportunity and every responsibility taught me something new. Be it responsibility, teamwork or the importance of staying grounded while aiming high. One of the biggest lessons I have learned is that leadership is not about giving orders, it's about setting examples. It's about listening more than speaking, and it's about serving more than leading. I owe every bit of my growth to this beautiful learning ground, SDAV. To the newly appointed council, you are about to begin a new journey. Congratulations. It will be exciting and enriching. Wear your badges not just as an honor, but as a responsibility and trust that school has placed in you. Act with integrity, lead with empathy, and never hesitate to take initiative. The road ahead will demand more patience, perseverance, and purpose. And I'm confident that you will live up to it brilliantly. As I pass this battle today, I carry of continuing growth for myself and for this institution that has shaped us all. Though my badge may be handed over, but my love, responsibility, and respect towards this institution will always remain. With the immense gratitude and pride, I bid this role farewell, not just as an end, but as our journey and starting of something even greater. Thank you.
Thank you, Mithili, for sharing your experience. Your words have truly inspired us. Now, we invite our newly appointed head boy, Kinshuk Yadav, to please come forward and address this gathering on this special occasion of investiture ceremony.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kinshuk and I feel truly honored and humbled to be appointed as the head boy of SD Adarsh Vidyalaya. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our respected President Srimati Asha Sharma ma'am, Honorable Dr. Sonu Sharma ma'am, Manager of SDAV, Headmistress ma'am and respected Principal ma'am for believing in me and giving me this opportunity. I am really thankful to the students who voted for me. Position is not just a title but a responsibility that I accepted with great pride and sincerity. I promise to lead by example, support my fellow students, and work hard to uphold the values of our school. Together, let's make this year a memorable and successful one. Thank you all.
A heartfelt thanks for that motivating address. Your words have surely left a lasting impact on all of us. Now, we invite our newly appointed head girl, Prachi Yadav, on stage to share her vision with us.
A very delightful morning to our highly respected President Srimati Asha Sharma ma'am, our gracious guest of honor Dr. Sonu Sharma ma'am, respected Principal ma'am, our Headmistress ma'am, dedicated teachers and my ever-inspiring friends. I am Prachi Yadav, the newly elected head girl of this esteemed institution of SD Adarsh Vidyalaya for the academic year 2025-26. As the head girl, I pledge to be a listening ear, a supportive friend, and a catalyst for positive change within our school community. My vision is to foster an environment where every student feels seen, heard, and valued. As the head girl, my duty is will include serving as a liaison between the students and the school administration and representing the student body in the school meetings and events. I believe leadership is not just about perfection. It's about presence. It's about responsibility. It's about listening not just when it's convenient, but when it's needed. At last, thank you all of you who showed their trust in me. I promise to work tirelessly to make our school proud and take it to the higher heights, and to be a role model for all my fellow students. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Your words have truly made a very, very strong impact on all of us. Now, the stage is all set to call our students to perform an amazing dance.
Inspire me.
competition is not about surpassing others, but about surpassing ourselves, striving to become better with each step. It sharpens our skill, fuel, and our confidence, and help us grow beyond our limits.
It gives me immense pleasure to announce that the exceptionally talented team of our school has brought great laurels by securing the third position in the Inter-School Nukkad Natak competition held at Shalom Hills International School on 15th July 2025. The competition revolved around this thought-provoking theme, social media, a boon or bane, and our students captivated the audience with their powerful performance. Let us welcome this brilliant team along with their dedicated mentor Rajni Pal ma'am with a thunderous round of applause. We now take great pride in inviting our esteemed President ma'am and Manager Dr. Sonu Sharma ma'am to kindly come forward and present the awards acknowledging the outstanding talent and hard work of our students.
Good morning, all of you. Dr. Sonu Sharma, Manager of Sanatan Dharm Adarsh Vidyalaya Society, Mrs. Joshi, Principal of ST Adarsh Vidyalaya, Mrs. Shekhawat, and my all dear teachers, and really very dear students, those who all are present here. We all have gathered here for a very important event in the life of the student, and that's the celebrations of selecting your council, your head boy, your head girl, and other people, and giving them charge today here in front of all. Congratulations to all the people, students who have won the positions, who have been elected, and others, those who have elected them, they also must be feeling very happy seeing their friends over there on the stage. In fact, when you take a responsibility, बहुत बड़े बन जाते हो. You were one of them, and you suddenly become above all of them. But don't think that you have really come above them. अब सबसे बड़ी responsibility आपके ऊपर आती है. You have to show your worth. You have to show your work. You have to do the things which your people, your friends, your fellow students, they are expecting of you.
It be the journey where you lead not by authority but by your actions, by your services, by your hard work. And I'm pretty sure that there will be a day when you will come out as the leader of this country as well. This is just the beginning. One of our famous writer once said, if your action inspires others to dream more, to become more, to do more, or to do something else, it means you are a true leader. Your actions should decide what exactly you are. Last but not least, I must say thank you to my loving, caring, and very pretty faces of my children who are always looking for their teachers and their president ma'am, their manager ma'am. They are always waiting with open hearts that we will have a function and we would like to have words of wisdom from their hands. So I'm thanking you, each one of you, once again. This function is not exactly a celebration. In fact, it's a promise. Promise of leadership, promise of coordination, and promise to move on the journey where the education and growth will take hand in hand. Thank you once again to each one of you. Jai Hind.
Respected Principal Ma'am, for your gracious word and sincere expression of appreciation. Your thoughtful message has beautifully captured the spirit of occasion and added a warm, memorable close to today's ceremony.